Now here's a 73 Ford LGT 100 I just picked up. I put new tires on it and refinished the wheels. It's in pretty nice shape. Has a little piece cut out of the frame here, the cowling. Deck is in really nice shape. It's missing a light and a reflector on this side. Looks like the original seat. I don't know if it is, but there's no rips or tears. Oh, there is a small one there. I didn't notice. Has an electric PTO. A 10 horsepower Kohler K241. Runs like a top. It's got a stainless steel gas tank that somebody made for it. I need to get a battery for it. I've been boosting it. And yeah.